In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Bluetooth shortcut in Windows 11. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop and select New, then Shortcut. Click on Browse. Click this PC. Click to open Local Disk C. Open Windows folder. Move down to Open System 32 folder. Scroll through the list to find this Bluetooth software. Click on it and select OK. Click Next. Give it a name and then click Finish. And that's it. You now have a quick and easy way to access Bluetooth on your desktop. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to IT Next for more tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.